Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 2 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on XP22 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Vacation Property. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can turn your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, or for complete course. I will provide you A plus grade in your course. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Let's start our assignment to solve step by step. XP22 Excel chapter 2 ML2 vacation property. Okay, focusing on step number 1 is about Excel file. You can download your Excel file from ITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this Excel file from ITLab dashboard. Okay, moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that write an if function in cell D9 that calculates the down payment for the mortgage. The down payment is 15% of the purchase price. If the customer is considered high risk of 5% of the purchase price, if considered low risk, the criteria to assess the risk of the loan is based on the credit score value and cell B6. Be sure to the appropriate absolute or mixed cell references when referencing the input values in B4 to B6. Then use autofill function. Then use the fill handle to copy the formula down. Basically, this time we will have to put a function in cell D9. Go to as a workbook, click on cell D9 and enter a formula in cell D9. Enter a function, a function. Okay. Then we will click on credit score. Okay, then enter on credit score less than low risk of cut. Then we enter a dollar sign. Low risk of down payment percentage. Then enter dollar sign. Okay. Then you can see multiplying by house cost. Okay, multiplying by house cost. Okay, then high risk down payment multiplying by house cost and high risk down payment enter dollar sign multiplying by then multiplying by house cost, then press enter, and it will be fine. Then use the fill handle copy to formula down stopping in D28. Okay, then use fill handle function. Now moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is that enter a formula to calculate the perfect finance in cell E9. The percentage finance is the amount finance divided by purchase price. Next, fill and to copy the formula. Okay, basically in this step we will have to enter a formula in cell E9. Okay, moving on Excel workbook and enter function in cell E9. Then we will have to enter a function. Enter a function is equal to enter formula is equal to amount finance divided by house cost. It will be fine finance rate. Okay, person finance. Now next the fill handle to copy the formula. You will do fill handle. It will be fine. All column E. Okay. I have done 3 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 4. Step number 4 is that enter a formula in cell F9 to calculate the amount financed. The amount financed and the purchase price down payment. After entering the formula, use fill handle to copy the formula down stopping of F28. Basically, in this step, we will have to enter formula in cell F9 to calculate the amount financed. Okay, you can see here. Now moving on, Excel workbook. Now enter formula in cell F9 is equal to house cost subtract from down payment is equal, it will be fine 314. Okay, now use the fill handle, copy the formula down stopping in cell F28. Okay, use fill handle. I have done 4 steps of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 5. Step number 5 is that use the VLOOKUP function in cell G9 to look up the mortgage rate based on the customer credit score and the data in the range D4 to E6. Be sure to use the abbreviated absolute of mixed reference. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping G20. Basically, in this step we will have to enter a function in cell G9 to VLOOKUP function. In cell G9 is equal to VLOOKUP function. Okay, and to credit score, then credit score dollar sign, okay, you can see here I am putting the formula in cell G9, you can see, and then to and true its statement, then press enter. Okay, it will be fine. Mortgage rate, you can see here. Then use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping in cell G28. Use fill handle, then stop in the G28. Okay, I have done this step now. This step is completed now. Now you can see, now moving on step number 6. I have done 5 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that calculate the rate per periods in cell H9. All mortgage being financed will be paid monthly. After completing the formula, use fill handle to copy the formula down stopping in cell H28 is equal to mortgage rate divided by 12. Okay, it will be fine. Rate per period. Okay, now use the fill handle to copy the formula I28 stopping in I28. Now we will go to Excel workbook and use fill handle, copy the formula down stopping the I28. Okay, I have done 6 steps of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 7. Sixth step is completed now. Now moving on step number 7. Step number 7 is that calculate the total number of payment periods in cell J9 based on the year financed in cell I9. After completing the formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping in cell J28. Basically, in this step, we will calculate the total number of payment periods in cell J9 based on the year financed in cell I9. Okay. Moving on, Excel workbook, cell J9, click on cell J9 and enter a formula. We will have to enter a formula first and then we will find 12 multiplying by years. Okay, it will be fine. Okay, it will be fine. You can see here. Then now use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping in cell J28. It will be fine. Fill handle. I have done 7 steps of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 8. You can see here it's 7 steps is completed of this assignment. Moving on step number 8. Step number 8 is that use the PMT function to calculate the total monthly payment in cell K10 based on the periodic interest rate, number of periods, and amount financed. Okay. Moving on. Okay. Calculate the monthly payment in cell. Moving on. Excel workbook. Use PMT function in cell K9. Click on cell K9 and PMT function. Then enter rate per periods and hash PMT periods and subtract from amount financed. Press enter. Okay, it will be fine. It will be fine. You can see here. Ensure the result positive value and copy the fill handle to copy the functions stopping in cell K28. Okay. I have done this step. You can see here. I have done this step. 75% of this assignment is completed now. You can see here. I have done 8 steps of this assignment. For remaining step or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and both are given on my PC screen. You can contact me. I will provide you a plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much.